Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is professorjkangap, and today guys I will show you how to install Windows 11 without TPM if you don't have TPM or if you don't have secure boot, because I can see yesterday I checked my account, my email account. I could see people, they were busy asking me about how to install Windows 11 without TPM. So what we can do is, I will leave you everything guys. I will leave you the ISO, the image, the ISO for Windows 11, and also the folder that we will need. So let's get started. As I said, in this video I will show you how to install Windows 11 without TPM. If you don't have TPM, I think most of you guys, you know TPM, what does it mean, or you can just go on Google and check. So what we will need, as I said, we will need Win 11 ISO. The ISO, you can download the ISO, but I will put the link down there, so then you'll be able to download the ISO from my Google Drive. And also the the files that will help us to bypass the TPM control, I can say that. So let's start. We're gonna do this. As you can see, then I do have a folder. I put everything on my desktop. You can see there is a folder named Win 11. It's there. In this folder we do have only TPM bypassed. This one will help us to bypass the control of TPM. Let me show you what does it mean. Like right now I do have Windows 11. This is the ISO for Windows 11. Let me take even this one. Let me mount the ISO. You can see the ISO is there. If you start, let's start the installation C, so then you have an idea of what I'm talking about. As you can see there, everything is fine. And let's see, then you will know what I'm talking about. Yes, we do have install Windows 11. Okay, everything is fine. Let's just uncheck not right now. It's about to download the update and everything. You can click next. If you click next, the operating system or the installation is busy checking your hardware if it's compatible with Windows 11. Sorry. So let's wait and see the result, because the machine that I want to install Windows 11 doesn't have a TPM. So that's the problem. That's the reason why I'm making this video, just to show you guys how to bypass the TPM. Yeah, you can see the result here. They say this PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements. Why? It's because of the TPM. There is no TPM on this laptop. So let's now start and see how we can bypass everything and install install Windows 11. Sorry. So let's close this one. We can just close. The first thing we can do, as I said, we need to download the ISO, and I do have the ISO already there. You mount the ISO. You can see this is my ISO. My ISO is there. Go on your desktop, I don't know, desktop, document, just create a folder, any folder. Mine is there on my desktop. You can see mine is there, new folder. Open that folder. So after creating a folder, go and mount your ISO. Copy everything, just make a copy from everything inside of your ISO and put them on the new folder, the one that you created. So let's do that. You can see I say you you can see you need to select everything, I mean everything, then you make a copy, you go there, you paste. I know it will take time, so I will stop the video and I will continue later. Yeah, done. So let me just remove my USB stick, because yeah, let me remove my USB stick, I mean, sorry. And as you can see, I do have a copy of Windows 11 there on my desktop. So what I need to do is, as I said, I will provide you guys with everything. Go on this folder, the one that, yeah, for the TPM bypass. Now you need to make a copy from this folder. You select these two files, select them, you make a copy, and you go where you pasted the one that you took from the ISO, the files that you took from the ISO. You go there, you will find a folder named sources. Open that folder and paste the two files there. They will ask you to replace, just replace them. Done. Once done, go back again, then you can try to start with the setup and see if it's gonna work or not. So let's do it and see. Yeah, you can see everything is there. Install Windows 11. What we can do, you can just click there and go down, not right now if you don't want to download the update. You can even download them later, and you click on next. So let's now see if they will give us that. As you can see, it's already done, everything is fine. Yeah, so you can just continue with your installation. You need to accept the license, choose what to keep. This one, it depends with you. If you want, you can start over, you can make a clean installation, or you can just make an update. So I think that I will make an ISO with everything inside, so then you won't be able, if you, in case maybe you don't have any operating system on your laptop or your computer, I mean, so if you want like to use a USB, like you want to install from the USB, so then you can just mount everything on the USB and start the installation. But that one I will do it later. So the Windows 11 installation will depend. It may take more than an hour, more than 2 hours, more than 5 hours. It depends with your computer. So I know I won't finish. I will cut the video and we'll continue once the installation will be done. But I wanted just to show you how to bypass the TPM, and you can continue with the installation. But after that, I will cut the video and we'll continue with everything once the installation is done. Okay guys.